Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Nakirul Rizal, metric number 2555938. So today I'm going to present about a system called Debtor and Creditor Manager. So this will be some sort like a user manual guide. So first thing to do is to register an account. So we just click sign up here and fill in these details, the form, the full name, our phone number. We choose our profile picture, our username, and also we create our username and also our password. Then we just click register. So in my case, I have already created an account before, so I will just log in with the account that I have created before, that I have signed up before. So this will be the dashboard, the welcoming page of this system. So next we'll move on to the dashboard of the system. So here is it, the dashboard of the system. As we can see, this is the debtor part, whilst this will be the creditor part. So in the debtor part, we have all the information about the outstanding amount, outstanding debtors, the debtors that will be due in 1 week, and also the debtors that have already due. So in this creditor part, we'll also have the same information. And plus, we'll also have a pie chart that represents the outstanding debtors. So as you can see, we have 3 here, debtor part, and 5 creditor in creditors part. So in the sidebar on the left side, we have a home button, profile button, debtor button, creditor button, report, and also a logout function. So as you can see, the home button is just will direct to the welcoming pages now. So it's just home button. So next we'll move on to the profile button. So this is the profile that I have signed up before. So this is my full name, my phone number, my created username, also password. This will be the profile picture that I have uploaded in the sign up session before. So in this page also we could update our profile. So let's say I want to update my profile picture. I can just choose my file. So let's say I'll just choose this picture as the profile picture, and then I can just submit to update the profile picture. So here is the updated profile picture as shown in the page. So we go back to dashboard and then we'll move on to the debtor part. So this will be the debtors list that I have created before. They have the details of the persons. I have the name, their phone number, their loan dates, their due dates to pay their loan, the total amount, the total loan amount, and also the amount paid that have been paid by them. So in this column, we have the uh, payment function, edit function, also a delete function. So first of all, we move to the new debtors in the up navigation bar. We have a new debtors function, which is to insert the new person. So let's say I want to insert new person, Nurul, their phone number, we just create their phone number, their loan dates, which is let's say yesterday, 16. They need to pay by 30th of November, total loan by 120. Total payment will just enter zero since there will be no amount paid by them yet. So you can just submit the button and their record will be updated successfully. So here is their detail, is her detail just now that have been updated. As you can see, their name, phone number, loan date which I made yesterday, the due date which I made on 30th of November, the total loan of 120 ringgit, and the amount of zero. Okay, let's say she wants to pay uh, sum of amount by today, 70th, 17th. So I can just click on the update payment button. Okay, and I can just, let's say she wants to pay 30. So we just click today's date and we can just submit to update the payment. So as you can see, the payment has been updated. So they have paid an amount of 30 ringgit. So in this edit button, can edit their details. So let's say I want to edit the names to their full name. So we can just submit, and we can see the record have been edited. Their their full name have been updated. So while in this delete function, it's just a function to delete their name. So let's say I just don't want them on the list. I can just click delete and their record will be gone. Okay, next we move on to the creditor button on the dashboard. As we can see, we have 5 creditors that I've created. Same as debtor, we have their names, their phone number, their loan date, their due date, their total loan, amount paid, their payment, edit, and also delete. So in this creditors function is basically all the same as the debtors function. To insert the new creditors, to update their payment, you can just update this her payment, let's say 200 by today. So we can see the payment have been updated. Edit function also a delete function, same as debtors function just now. So next we move on to the informations on the uh, dashboard. As you can see, we have outstanding amount, debtors which is due in 1 week. The debtors have already due. You can see they have 311. We have an outstanding amount of 950. And this is the pie chart. We have just now we have 4 members. If I'm not mistaken, we have 4 lists. But as we can see in the pie chart, we only have 3, because this pie chart will shows the debtors that have still have their outstanding amount. So as we can see, this guy have already paid his loans fully. So his name will not be in the pie chart. So let's say we move on to the, let's say, debtors which is due in 1 week. As we can see, Aisha which is due in 1 week with a total amount of 300 Aisha. So let's say, so yeah, her due date is on 22. Today is 17, which her due date, her due is within 1 week. So her name will appear on the report. So the amount will be 300 because she already paid 50 ringgit before. So the amount will only exist as 300. So this is the debtors overdue which have already passed their due, paid their loans. This is the creditor report. You have outstanding creditors due in a week, and also same as the creditor overdue. So we can also click the report function to view the report just now. It's just the same as to click the hyperlink in the table. And also we can print. We have a print function to print out the report if we want to have a hard copy. So we can just choose our printer, can choose how many copies we want, colors, or no. You can just click print to print the report. So I think that's all for the debtor and creditor manager system. So this is the logout function to log out of the system. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you.